In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your deleted emails in Outlook. If you're looking to clean up your email storage and ensure that no residual deleted emails are lingering around, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through this simple process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along. To begin, let's navigate over to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Outlook, or simply clicking on your Outlook bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're there, you might see the sign in button located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not yet signed in, you'll need to enter your email address and password. It's important to remember that your password is case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is off unless necessary. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken into your inbox. Now your main focus is on accessing the deleted items folder. On the left side of your Outlook window, you'll see a panel that lists all your email folders. Scroll through and select the folder that reads deleted items. This is where all the emails you've deleted reside temporarily, waiting for their final farewell. Once you are in the deleted items folder, you're almost done. Your next step is to clear it out completely. At the top of this folder, you might see an option that says empty folder. Clicking this removes all the emails in the deleted items in one swift stroke, but there's one final decision to make. After selecting empty folder, a prompt may appear. This prompt will ask you to confirm your choice. It's a safeguard to ensure you don't accidentally delete something you might need. If you're sure you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm it. Another option, delete all, may also be present, providing a similar function, so clicking that will achieve the same outcome. And there you have it. With these simple actions, you've not only emptied the deleted items folder, but you've also ensured those emails are permanently erased from your Outlook account. Remember, regular maintenance like this keeps your email running smoothly, reduces digital clutter, and can even help optimize your email performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments you may have down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Have a great day and happy organizing.